Hello everyone, my name is Amber Sargent and here is my newsletter on the international game that I chose. So let's get active. The game that I chose is called tinikling, and here's a picture of the game. And what it is a game similar to playing jump rope or double dutch, but instead of using two ropes or a rope, two bamboo poles are required for this type of game. And the type of game that it is more of a dance style type of game that also requires a bit of teamwork. A little history behind this is that the term tinikling actually means to perform. And what it is an imitation of a bird called the tickling bird. And it imitates the bird as it walks between grass, run over different trees and branches and things like that in order to avoid bamboo traps. And these bamboo traps are set by farmers who grow rice because the birds oftentimes ruins them. So here's a picture of the bird. Where did it originate? Tinikling is a popular dance that actually originated in Leyte, which is an island in the Visayas, which is in the central Philippines. So the rules of this game. So in order to play, two bamboo poles are held by two different people, and each person has one pole in each hand. The two people hit the poles on the floor, they then raise them and then hit the poles together. So the person that is in the middle, which can also be more than one person, has to hop over and outside the poles before they come together to avoid stepping on the poles. And the two kids that are holding the poles and slapping the poles together actually keep the rhythm and the beat and the pace of what the person in the middle is actually doing. So once this game is actually mastered, it is then considered to be a form of dance in the Philippines. So a warning for this activity or game would be to just make sure that the bamboo poles that you use are flexible, because if someone does happen to step on them, you don't want to cause any type of injury to the ankle. So we want to make sure that if they are stepped on, that injuries are prevented. So a bit of summary. Tinikling is a very interesting dance that has been made into a game. I love the idea of jumping over poles instead of using jump ropes because it creates a different type of activity. And I actually loved playing double dutch growing up. So to be able to take a new turn and a new twist to a popular activity is actually great. Kindergartners up to 12th graders can play this, and it's actually a lot of fun. It allows for cardio to be able to develop a different type of dance style and allows for students to be able to learn about something internationally. So here is a video demonstration of the actual game or dance. So if you click the link, you'll be able to watch it. And here is also the screenshot of where I got my information from. And a fun little fact about this is that it actually was developed during the Spanish colonial era. And that is my project. Thanks.